I'm in my kitchen. It's breakfast time. It's summer. What do I make for breakfast? What about breakfast ice lollies? Now these 5 ingredients are all you're gonna need to make these breakfast ice lollies. So you got granola, some summer fruits, honey, yogurt, and a bit of lime, and that's it. So the first thing you wanna do is pour your frozen fruit medley into a pan with the juice of 1 lime. And then you're gonna let this simmer till it's a bit of a chunky, saucy fruit compote-esque type thing. So the next element to our breakfast ice lollies is the granola. So just gonna pour it into a bowl. So the thing is, I want it to stay sticky and keep clamped together when the lollies are freezing. So I'm gonna add a bit of honey to it. And this will help it kind of just stick together. With the remaining honey, I'm gonna add it to the yogurt just to give it a bit of sweetness and give that a mixy mix. So my summer fruit is ready. So first of all, let this baby cool. My fruit medley has cooled down. What I'm gonna do is mix just a little bit of it. I'm just gonna gently fold my berries and fruits together, give a bit of a marbled effect. And then I'm gonna start layering my lollies. So do a bit of the fruit and yogurt mixture, and then just tap it a little bit to get rid of the air bubbles. And I think I want to add a little bit extra fruit on top because I love the color. And then my sticky granola goes in, some crunch, and then I add popsicle stick, and then this goes into the mold, ready to pop into the freezer. So the trick of this is that you can really make it whatever you wanted. So you can have fun with it, involve other people. If you have kids, involve the kids in making this. Also use different fruits, use different granolas, try different flavor yogurts as well. Try coconut yogurt, that sounds amazing, and I think that would be quite nice. So when layering this as well, play around, pretty easy. I'm gonna take these and pop them into the freezer. So my lollies have been in the freezer for a few hours. I think I want to take one out and see the big reveal. Oh, look at those colors. Got a bit of an ombre effect. Can't believe this is for breakfast. Yummy coldness. Yum, yum, yum. Now that is a breakfast for champions.